Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the new Supreme Duo. So previously I have filmed for you guys the Supreme Duet, which is their old model. When we had EPA regulation changes back in 2020, they had to redesign the model and come out with a new see-through fireplace to be able to meet the EPA standards. So this product is unique because this is going to be a high efficiency, zero clearance fireplace, which means it can be framed directly into the wall. It's not a masonry requirement, and it's also a see-through unit. So there are very few, if any, other high efficiency see-through units available on the market at this point in time. So I love Supreme products. They're very well built. They're built up in Canada by our North American friends, and they're made by a family-owned business that's super excellent and easy to work with, so I appreciate that as well. I'm gonna take you guys inside the unit. The firebox handles are super easy. They did do a redesign on these handles compared to the Duet, and I have to say I do like the new handle design. This has a very nice fire door gasket, nice and thick, quality to get in nice airtight close. You do have a variety of options. You can do either like a clean face or a traditional, and this is the side shown with no grills. The other side of the fireplace does have the grills for the outlet, so I'll take you guys up close and show you that as well. Some of the changes made to the interior of the fireboxes, they're now doing this cast iron lining. So you can see this cast iron lining has a nice brick pattern, which adds a lot to the aesthetic detail of the fireplace. Cast iron is also going to retain that heat for a lot longer than what those stainless steel panels do. And these cast iron panels are also super durable. Something else that is different is the previous Duet model did have a cooking grill, and this new Duo model does not have a cooking grill. Some other changes made to the unit is going to be the top baffle system. So they do have a stainless steel baffle located at the top of the firebox here, which has replaced the old style air tube. So this is really nice because you get a very beautiful unobstructed view of your fire burning. It's less replacement parts as well, easier to keep clean. Also, when you go to load the firebox, if you hit the top, you're not gonna worry about knocking out your air tubes. So this side of the Supreme Duo, the see-through fireplace, has the clean face. Now you have two different options on how you do the clean face style. You can do a linear grill here, located at the top as the heat outlet, because the heat's got to go somewhere. Or you could also do a grill that would be like located up here on the side. This is going to be your air return. So this is always going to be required. This goes on the side of the fireplace. This is what's going to bring in the combustion air into the firebox there. So this unit's always going to be required. It's kind of like your blower access module. Then again, this is going to be the clean face side. I'm going to show you the other side, which they have this more traditional front, so it's not going to be the full clean face design. I'm going to take you guys inside the firebox here so you can see this nice thick gasket lining. Inside the firebox, you can see this cast iron brick panels, nice big see-through area on the other side, and a steel bottom on the firebox. And then here is your stainless steel baffle system across the top of the unit. What else is super cool about this unit is you can actually mount a TV above the unit if you want to do that. Now, a lot of the other wood fireplaces on the market have been cut out to where they don't allow you to mount the TV. So you can easily do that. It's just important that you have a mantle that comes out at least 6 inches to help deflect that heat from hitting the top of the TV. So, I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like my videos, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.